guys, it's Livia. Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be showing you guys my room makeover. I actually started this video over 6 months ago and I never got to finish it. But finally I picked up a few things that I really wanted for my room, so I decided to film me redoing my room. Now, of course, there's still some things I want to add. And I'm not completely finished with my room. I might even repaint the walls to white, but for now I feel like I'm finished. I just need to add a few more accessories and a few more things to the wall. But let me know if you guys think I should repaint my walls white, and let's get on with the video. I decided to redo this corner of my room and just add a few touches to the rest of my room. I'm going to be showing you guys a little clip of what my room looked like before, and then there'll be a montage of me redoing my room, and then you will see my room after. this is my finished room. I'm not going to go in depth, but if you guys would like a more in-depth video, like a room tour, then please let me know down below and I'd be happy to make one because a lot of you guys have been requesting it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!